Another beautiful front clip brought to you by Weber Brothers. This is a 22 Mercedes GLC in polar white. This one is going to be picked up by a customer in person. So it is currently in our loading area where everyone will pick up their fronts. There's no protective wrapping. That's how we do it when you pick it up. If we're freight shipping it to you, it's a different story. There's an expense involved and it gets all wrapped up. Exceptionally nice front clip here. Clean, clear headlights. No issues or stories on the outside. One tiny little mark, which I would speculate will come out with just a little bit of work. Get you under the hood, see what you can expect. So as you can see, Radiator condenser fans. Sorry about the glare, I got the door open here so the light's kind of messing with my lens. Rad condenser fans, airbox, fuse box. Bag contains a whole host of hoses, and the fender liners are over there, splash shields, airbox, water bottle, cowl cover. Very, very nice front end. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. My name's Jared. I can be reached at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Thanks for looking.